Hey everybody, about to do another unboxing video. I ordered a pair of shoes from StockX. I usually have my UPS, my choice, send it to a UPS store for pickup so I can avoid anybody trying to steal it off my porch. But I did get a notification saying that the package wasn't, they weren't able to do that with this package. And you know, I've ordered probably somewhere around 18 to 20 pairs of shoes from StockX, and this is only the second time that that's happened. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll call them and figure out what it is. So if this ever happens to you, you'll know why. But let's get into this unboxing. All right, so we got our box here, cutting the sides. There we go. Oh, that was easy. 2 little cuts and this thing came right out. Got a Jordan box right there. Nice Jordan box. We're a size 10.5 Air Jordan 12 retro. It's missing the tag. Whoever got it took the tag off, but yeah, check that out right there. So we know it's a Jordan 12. Alright, there we go. And if anyone knows anything about this stuff, these are the Jordan 12 Flu Game OG right there. And that's my second Jordan 12. I got the playoff 12s. Now I got the Flu Game 12s. Been wanting these ones for a while. I mean, I've been seeing people wearing these, sporting them all around, you know, and just needed a pair for myself. I still need the taxis and I still need the cherry 12s, but you know, they haven't made those since like 2010 or so, or the cherries might even be longer than that. But I would like a new pair. I want like a re-released, pair. I don't want to get something from that old, especially with the white on it. You know, it might be a little dingy looking, but yeah, these 12s are amazing. Look where StockX hung the tag on this one. That's different. My playoffs, they hung the tag off of one of the eyelet right here at the top, but you got it hanging off the back there. But yeah, Flu Game 12 right here. OG colorway, one of the original OG colorways right here. I usually don't buy blue shoes, so for the 12s, like I said, all I need is the taxis, and then I also need the cherries just to complete the 4 OG colorways that I want. I think there was a blue colorway as well, French blue or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm not too fond of that color, so just got 2 more to pick up to complete my Jordan 12 OG colorway collection. But yeah, check those out right there. Another shoe that if you're debating whether I'm getting, on StockX I paid $269. I didn't think the guy was going to take, or no one was going to take that bid. The highest bid was $268. I put $269 the next morning. Someone accepted it when they were on their way shipping them to StockX. So yeah, I feel lucky I got them at $269. I know they're only $190 back in 2016 when they released, but it's a good deal. Alright man, if you're thinking about getting those, go on to StockX, check it out, or go one of those places, see if you can get them. Alright, end of my video, I'm out.